Animotions is an app designed to help kids who struggle with recognizing emotions to learn about emotional interactions. This is done through augmented reality, through these Animoji-like faces that we're implementing to help motivate kids, and it incorporates stat tracking for teachers and therapists, and also it enables sentence construction, which will be a future feature down the line. The way that the application is designed is to help engage younger kids or kids that are on the spectrum to engage with learning how to recognize faces through the use of these Animoji-like characters that we're working on. The way that the gameplay will work is that students will be able to go to a store where they can purchase little faces using currency they earn from actually doing the lessons. So they're rewarded for partaking in the lessons that the teacher or therapist will provide. And when they unlock those faces, they'll be able to see them in the lessons that they're able to do. So it's like a continual feedback loop that they'll be able to experience. There's also a section for review that students can see, so they'll be able to review what particular emotions are. If they're having trouble understanding some of the concepts, they'll get a visual representation through some art that another team member made this project before at a much smaller scale using Unity. The systems provided by Apple are a lot more robust and allow for more rapid prototyping of these different features. Particularly the AR and the UI kit functionality has been really helpful. And there's also a screenshot feature that will just capture the face itself without any of the UI elements blocking the way. Using the blend shapes that Swift provides, we are able to detect a few parts of the face that will be critical for recognizing the basics of emotion.
There were 3 goals that we had in mind for the visual design of Animotions. We wanted the app to have visuals that were peaceful, engaging, and functional. The original color scheme of the app was rather bold and saturated. In the app's new iteration, however, the colors have been adjusted to have lighter, more pastel hues. The music complements these updated designs, coming together to create a really peaceful user experience. However, we understand that apps targeted toward a younger audience should still have fun, engaging designs to keep them interested. Aside from the beautiful tree and animation elements that we have planned for that final app's menu, the 3D face masks will be a lot of fun for users to play with as well. Animotions isn't just a recreational app, however, and we understand that the designs for these face masks need to be functional as well as visually appealing. We want them to excite users and motivate them to keep progressing in the app, but they also need to accurately depict the expressions that we're reinforcing. We've been working with a group of students from Nez Perce, Idaho, and our goals for student participation were to have the students create some designs for the face masks in the app, also create some 2D icons for our app's store that represent these different face masks, and then to actually have some of the 3D face masks be created by students too. We've been working to achieve these goals by having weekly meetings with the students, introducing new styles of learning from our video tutorials. We want to give students the resources they need to accomplish their tasks while still encouraging self-motivated learning and creative freedom.
The reason I feel like this application is important for everyone is that as someone that is on the spectrum, I feel like being able to pick up on social situations is very important. I got to receive a lot of therapy when I was younger, and I feel like this would have been a great tool for me back then. I hope a lot of kids, as they're growing up, will be able to use this to be able to navigate a very social world. I just want this app to be used by as many people as possible, just so that their lives could be improved and that the kids will be able to learn a lot from it.